Welcome. In this module, we'll talk about a very important area of information security, capacity management, and this is part one. So ISO 27001-2013, control number 12.1.3 in the appendix says the use of resources should be monitored, tuned, and projections made of future capacity. That's monitored, tuned, and projections made of future capacity. Requirements to ensure the required system performance. So that in order to make sure that the system works up to the expected level, you have to monitor, tune, and make projections of future capacity. Now, what is capacity management? It aims to ensure that the capacity of IT services and the IT infrastructure is able to deliver the agreed service level targets in a cost-effective and timely manner. And many times, the IT has to deliver service to the business under an SLA, or it has to deliver service to a partner under an SLA. And that is an agreed service level, and that needs to be managed. And for that, we need to manage capacity. So what is capacity management? Another look. The capacity management process considers all the resources required to deliver the IT service and plans for short, medium, and long-term business requirements. ITIL suggests, so ITIL is in IT Infrastructure Library, another great framework, suggests three sub-processes: business capacity management, service capacity management, and component capacity management. Let's take a look at all three. Business capacity management translates business plans and needs into requirements for IT services and architecture. Business capacity management further detail is that as customers' business changes, so are service requirements changing. Change in service requirements usually has an impact on demand for capacity. So you're tracking the business requirements and making sure that the capacity is also in line with the business and the changing environment of business. Service capacity management, the second part. Service capacity management focuses on management, control, and prediction of end-to-end performance of live IT services and their usage and workloads. So here, we're looking at capacity from a service perspective, not from the business perspective, not from the component perspective, from an overall end-to-end perspective. Service capacity management is about measuring performance and comparing it to the requirements that are in service level agreements or service level requirements. Component capacity management focuses on management control, and now this is the third particular aspect. We looked at business capacity management, we looked at service capacity management, and component capacity management focuses on management, control, performance prediction, utilization, and capacity of technology components. For example, a hard disk, a processor, a server, a network device. And in the next module, let's look at ISO 27002-2013 guidance for capacity management. So related to ISO 27001, let's take a look in the next module on what 27002 says about capacity management. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.